The new generation of cameras has enabled scientists to record a strike that lasts just a fraction of a second and play it back over 200 times slower to analyze its detail. These super slow motion images show the stepped leader making a connection with the ground. The entire charge then drains from the cloud above, seen as a series of pulses. Using the latest camera technology, scientists are beginning to unravel the mysteries of lightning.